Hi, my name is Suchitra, and I talk about all things beauty and wellness to make your life a little better. If the internet has shown you my channel and you've somehow landed up here, then I hope this video gives you a reason to stay till the end and hit subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber here, I thank you so much for your support. So today's video, as you already know, is Best of Body Care 2024. And these are all the products that I have tried this year and loved. Just a little disclaimer before we get started. So these are products that I discovered in the year 2024 and I have loved using them and I'm here to share them with you. But doesn't mean that I don't have favorites from the years before. But we're going to keep the focus on this year's favorites. So let's get started. Honestly, this year has been slightly underwhelming for me in terms of body care, just like hair care. I did not end up with a lot of favorites. I did use a lot of products though this year, but I found only some products that I wanted to talk about here and feature them here. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started. So amongst shower essentials, I have a pick from a luxurious brand. It's L'Occitane. I first used the mini and I loved it, and I quickly invested in this full size product. It smells divine. I can't tell you, my whole bathroom smells of this stuff after I've showered and left the shower, even for like so many minutes after I'm done and I'm out. This is 100% worth the hype. I totally get why people have been raving about this for so long. I feel like I've been late to the party, but once I've used this, I don't think I'm going back. Okay, then is a body lotion that has been not just my favorite, but everybody's favorite in my house. And we've gone through multiple bottles of this already, even though this was launched sometime mid of this year. So, yeah, this is the one. This is the Vanilla Caramello body lotion from Plum. This is highly affordable. This smells so good. The internet also claims that this is a dupe of the very popular Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa 62. Honestly, I'm not a big fan of calling, this that dupe, so we won't go with that on this channel. But on its own, this one performs beautifully. This smells so good, like literally of salted caramel. Fragrance doesn't last too long on the body though, but there is a whole range in this fragrance from the brand, and they also have a perfume which the brand claims to layer with the body lotion, and that way you can have a long-lasting fragrance. And everything is so affordable. Honestly, don't miss this one. Okay, this one is an absolute empty. I have gone through this completely and has been much loved. So this one is the Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum and Lotion from Vaseline. This, true to its name, it is a very serumy textured lotion. I honestly hadn't used such a lightweight lotion before. I loved using this through the warmer time of the year, which is most of the year in Bombay where I live. So this was truly loved. I absolutely enjoyed using this. Plus, this also has some brightening properties. So when I came back from a beach vacation, this is what I reached out for, and it really did help fade my tan to a slight extent. This one did play a helping hand in it and did fasten the process. So for that reason, I would say full marks to this one. I also have a dedicated reel on this on my Instagram page, which is where you can follow me if you want to stay more updated with my content. I'm going to link that in the descriptor below along with all the product links so you can find them easily. Okay, in the body lotion, body butter category, I have one more product, and this one has absolutely hit it out of the park, just like other products from this brand. This one is called Control Delete and it's from Resolve. The brand is owned by a very dear friend of mine called Shrija, if you don't know that already. Let me show you the texture of this product. It is decadent. Okay, it's superbly moisturizing. It has salicylic acid, it has retinol, so it really takes care of bumpy texture. And it's just so beautiful. I do have a bit of KP on my legs, so this is something that I have really enjoyed using, and this has helped me smoothen the skin on my legs, and I can't tell you how good that feels. Also, this product, full marks to how good it smells. I think I'm a big fan of good smelling bath and body products, so I mean this one didn't miss the memo. Okay, moving on to the fragrance category. Unfortunately, I did not try out any new scents this year. I have been using my good old Carolina Herrera's and Burberry's and the works. But I do have two Dio roll-ons which have been absolutely fabulous. So this is a Dio that I picked up from my trip from Bali, because as always, literally every holiday, I will forget my roll-on Dio and I will run to a shop close to me to pick one up, because that's just who I am, I guess. So this one got picked up in Bali. There's a lot of writing in Indonesian, which I don't understand, but it smells so good. And this was the only deo that I relied on heavily on that beach vacation, and it worked fabulously. It smells too good. And I hope Rexona launches this variant in India very, very soon. Okay, next is this roll on deo from Chemist at Play. I have spoken about this product multiple times till now. If you're following me closely, this smells so good, and it really really checks the box in terms of odor control. Keeps you smelling so fresh through the day, and the best part, it also has some exfoliating properties which really help in terms of the odor control for a longer period of time. That is even after you've had a shower, because it does exfoliate the underarm very gently. Though I know it sounds like, oh, it's exfoliating my underarm, what is going to happen? No, it it's all gentle and it's all good. I love this stuff. If you haven't tried this already, I want you to not just walk but run and get this product. I think sort of can go in the holy grail status for me. I cannot function without this. This is just beautiful. Okay, next is this vitamin C body oil from Amino. This one is so loved and it smells divine. The way I really like using this product is adding a couple of drops into my body butter or my body lotion, whichever I'm going in with. And that way the product really absorbs very well into the skin, and it's, it keeps you smelling so good through the day. This really, they've nailed the fragrance. It's so special. I don't think it's herby or it's earthy or it's floral. I don't know how to describe it. It has a bit of citrus notes, I think, and it's just fresh and it's luxurious. And this is probably what money smells of. Okay, next is this body sunscreen spray from Happier. Again, I have spoken about this product multiple times. I took this with me to Bali. I use this through my vacation. This is so beautiful. It gives really nice protection. It's not overbearing on the skin. It's so easy to apply, and full marks on such a great pump as well, because I feel like with a lot of affordable category products, that is where the compromise comes in, and after some time that pump stops working properly. But this one just has an even spray, works smoothly. Beautiful product. Okay, and that brings me to the end of this video. That was short and sweet. I hope you liked it, and if you did, do remember to check out all the best of categories that I am sharing through this week. There's best of skincare, best of hair care, best of makeup. Everything that I've used, there's a lot of skincare and makeup, just so you know. So don't miss that. And if you like this video and you do like the content you see on my page, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.